object. So object is, it's an instance of a class. So whenever you use this new variable, like for example, you have a class A. Let me make it strong. You have a class A, and if you go to some other main program or whatever, and you do new A, then you create an object of the class A. So this is called an object of a class. This is called instance of a class. This is called object. And you create it using the new variable, the new keyword, whatever. Uh, so it has a state and a behavior. What does this mean that an object has a state and a behavior? It means that, state is something like the state of something at a certain, you know, point in time is called state, and behavior is how, for example, what is the business logic, or what the object will do using its functions or method, what it is capable of doing is called behavior. Like for example, if you let's say switch on a car, so using, let's say, an ignition key, or let's say it's a simple switch, you switch it on and the car starts, so the switch on is the state, and the starting is the behavior. You see, because you press the switch on and it starts. There's some function runs and it starts the car. So this is what the behavior of this object is, and the state is switching is on or off is the state. If it is off, the engine will be stopped. This is how it will behave on switching off. So this is the difference between a state and a behavior. So any object in object-oriented programming, not just C Sharp or Java, whatever programming language is, has every object has a in every programming object program has a state and a behavior. So I hope you understand this concept, because many people are confused on state and behavior thing.